Welcome back to What's on the Truck, where we go over the materials that we use to give you a 5-star experience here at Complete Home Solutions. My name is Logan, and today we'll be going over sump pumps. Sump pumps are used in the crawl space of your home to remove any excess standing water. With water and moisture damage being a serious risk to your home's structural integrity, it is important to get rid of that water, which is why we recommend using sump pumps. The first step of installing a sump pump is to dig a hole to place the sump pump into. We typically look for the lowest point in the crawl space to dig this hole, as that's where all the water will be collected. The next step is to place pebble rocks at the bottom of the hole, followed by our housing tub. And once the housing tub is installed, we follow that by placing pebbles on the outside, filling all the way up to the top of the hole. This will prevent any mud or dirt from getting into the tub where the sump pump will sit. Next, we'll place our sump pump into the tub, making sure it's in the right spot, checking all the parts to make sure that they work, including the float switch. The float switch is what turns the pump on once the water level reaches a certain height. That'll then take all the water that's been collected and pump it out of your home. The final step is to run PVC pipe from the sump pump to the exterior of your crawl and away from your home. Now the same water that used to just be sitting in your crawl space will now be taken out, discharged away from your home, alleviating you from any moisture or water issues. Now let's get this material from our warehouse and into your home.